How to create a dashboard in Salesforce. Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how you can create a dashboard in Salesforce. Now we are over here at salesforce.com at the homepage of our account. And as you can see here on the top, we have home, leads, account, contacts, opportunities, cases, tasks, calendar, reports, and dashboard. Now what we're going to work on today is the dashboard. We're simply going to click on dashboard. Then this will redirect us to the dashboard portion of our Salesforce. As we can see here on the left side, it says that recents are 0 items because we have not made any dashboard as of yet. But after creating a dashboard, our dashboard will now appear in this section over here. Now, as you can see here on the left side, we have a recent, a created by me, a private dashboard, an all dashboard, folders, which are all folders, created by me, shared by me, and then all favorites. Now, the first thing we're going to do is go on the top right, and then we can click on the new dashboard over here by simply clicking this. We will be sent to this page over here. Now, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to name our dashboard. Now, I'm going to name it testing for now because we are currently testing this dashboard part of Salesforce. You could add a description. You could change the folder you want it to be created on by clicking on select folder. Under select folder, we have the options all folders. We have the options all folders, created by me, shared with me, private dashboards, and public dashboards. We're going to click on cancel because this is where we would want to save our dashboard for the meantime. Then we're going to click on create. Over here on our center, this is where we will be creating our dashboard. This is where our canvas will be. As you can see here on the top left, this is the name of our dashboard. We could simply change the name once again by clicking on this icon over here, and then we would be able to change the name of our dashboard. As you can see here on the right side, we have a lot of options over here. Aside from the add components, we could add filters, we can undo a mistake we did, we could redo our movements. There's also a setting for the properties over here where we can change the name, the description, the folder, the view dashboards as, dashboard grid size, the different dashboard themes, and the dashboard palettes. Now we could also click our dashboard by clicking the save button over here. We could also save as or delete. Now after editing, we could simply click on done. Now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to explore the different components by clicking on the add component. As you can see here, we can add reports and folders into our dashboard. Now in reports, we have this option homepage over here, and then pipeline, all pipeline version over here. Under created by me, we would be able to see the average case age, average deal size, average deal length, closed, and many more. Our private reports doesn't contain anything. Our public reports contain these items over here like average cash age, the same thing as we saw earlier in created by me. There's also folders over here. We don't have any folders yet, but in the future, we would be able to add folders over here if you want. But right now, we're going to choose a random option like this one. We're going to add the potential revenue source, and then we're going to click on select. Now we would be able to see how we would want this to be displayed as. We could use chart settings from report by enabling this. We could also choose the different way we want it to be displayed as. We could have this sideways graph, this upward graph, this line graph over here, this also pie graph, and then there's this number digit, a gauge chart, a funnel chart, a scatter chart, and a lightning table. Now for now, we're going to choose the line chart, and then we could choose the y-axis, the x-axis over here. We could add cumulative and show values. You could display the units. You could change the access range values, the decimal place. You could change how it would be sorted by a lead amount or some amount. You could add a custom link. You could edit the maximum groups displayed, change the title, add a subtitle, add a footer if you want. You could change the component theme from light to dark. And after editing these parts over here, you can simply click on add. And as you can see, we have a component over here. Now we can drag our components around and relocate it to wherever we want it to be, just like that. Now if you want to edit this, you can simply click on this icon over here, and you would be able to edit the components like how we saw it earlier. Now if you don't want this component, you simply click on this X icon over here, which will delete the components. Now for now, we're going to make a simple dashboard. We're going to put this back over into our dashboard. We're going to choose this version this time. We're going to have that over there. We're going to add another one like this average case age. Select. You could choose what it would be displayed with, but they can't draw any chart because there's no data in this component. But still, we're still going to click on add, and this will appear over here. And we could add another one, like we could add a pipeline for the current year, then click select. Then we could change the way we want it to be displayed. I want it to be displayed this way. Then we're going to click on add. And our chart will be over here. Now we're going to drag this on top and make them go side by side. And that's it. And after creating your dashboard, after playing around with it, doing whatever you want, you can simply go over here and click on save. Now actually, we can now access the plus filter over here, which would allow us to add a filter to our dashboard. We could have a filter for the account address, billing city, billing country, billing state province, billing street, billing zip code, shipping, account, custom names, and a lot more. Now you could simply choose any one of this and then you can simply click on add. Now after editing your dashboard, after finishing up all you want to edit, all you want to add, you can simply go up here on the right and click on save. After clicking that, our dashboard will be saved. And then after that, you can simply click on done. And our dashboard has now been created. You can click on refresh over here now. You can edit it again. You can subscribe to our dashboard. We could download it. We could save us. We could create a new dashboard, or we could delete this dashboard that we have just created. Now clicking here, we can now see in our recents the dashboard that we have just created. We can see the description, we can see the folder, we can see who created it, when it was created, and if it is subscribed on. And that's it guys, that's how you can create a dashboard in Salesforce. Hope you enjoyed the video, thanks for watching.